Hi everybody, this is Andy. Bow ties are cool. Thank you for joining me this morning for Curiosity Corner Live, our segment all about Fibonacci and the Fibonacci sequence. I showed you one example of Fibonacci in nature, and that was the sunflower. Here's another one. It's a daisy. So here's my challenge to you for this video. See if you can pause it and count the spirals going in one direction. Now, I counted the spirals going in one direction, and there were 21. Now, what about the other direction? So here's the original picture. Count the spirals going the other way. There are actually 34. So once again, 21, that's a Fibonacci number, and 34 is the next Fibonacci number. And 34 divided by 21, it's close to phi. So there's another example of Fibonacci in nature. I hope you found some examples of your own, and as always, be sure to come back every day at 10:30. We have new videos for you. It's going to be great. Tomorrow, we have something really cool. I'm going to talk to you about pendulums, so make sure you come back tomorrow. By the way, that noise in the background is the 3D printer, just so you know that nothing's going wrong with my video. It's the 3D printer. Anyway, thanks very much. Stay curious.